The Fiio M15s is a high-resolution digital audio player that bridges the gap between portable convenience and desktop-level performance. Building upon its predecessor, the M15, this device introduces several enhancements catering to audiophiles seeking versatility and superior sound quality. Design and build. The M15s showcases a sleek, all-metal chassis with a polished matte black aluminum finish, exuding a premium aesthetic. Its dimensions are 140 mm in height, 79.4 mm in width, 19.3 mm in thickness, and it weighs approximately 345 grams, making it relatively compact for a flagship DAB. The front and back panels are crafted from Gorilla Glass, providing durability and a refined look. User interface and performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 660 processor, the M15s runs on a customized Android 10 operating system. This combination ensures a responsive and fluid user experience, allowing seamless navigation through applications and settings. Audio performance. At the heart of the M15s lies the ES9038 Pro DAC chip, renowned for its high-resolution audio decoding capabilities. The device delivers a balanced sound signature with excellent tonal accuracy, dynamics, and natural timbre. Battery life. The M15s features multiple gain settings, including an ultra-high gain mode accessible when connected to a DC power source via USB-C. This mode unleashes the device's full potential, delivering up to 1,200 mW per channel into 32 ohms loads. Overall, the Fiio M15s is good. Thank you so much.